Steps off Park Avenue, this is luxury at its best. Welcome to 120 East 71st Street. I'm Maria Manuche and I can't wait to show you around. As you head up these sweeping stairs, please take a moment to appreciate this beautiful limestone facade. Please, come follow me. Built in 1879 and perfected by a 3-year renovation, this townhome radiates the ethos of a mansion. And you feel that the moment you cross the threshold into the reception hall of the parlor floor. 12-foot ceilings, a commanding staircase, a gas-burning fireplace, marble floors, and a stunning window. In other words, pure grandeur. And this elegant hallway beckons you further into the main entertaining space of this home. This side-by-side living and dining room offers a more contemporary approach to entertaining, while also preserving the architectural details of the more classic design, like the herringbone floors, the crown molding, and this stunning marble mantelpiece. And this open floor plan lends itself beautifully for an art collection. You can comfortably seat a large dinner party under the glow of a beautiful chandelier and within an easy reach of the wet bar. And as you can see, this living room is large enough for multiple seating vignettes. What is truly unique though, you can see a stunning stained glass window. It provides privacy and beauty. This house has 5 floors and we're headed down to the garden level right now. This level is all about casual living, but in grand style. Custom cabinets, Caesar stone countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, a stunning center island, all make this a dream of an eat-in kitchen. Complemented by this well-appointed great room, which leads to your own private garden. Ideal for dining al fresco or perhaps a morning coffee? Now, let's head upstairs. The primary bedroom suite occupies the entire 3rd floor of the house. And there are 4 additional bedrooms upstairs. But what distinguishes this primary bedroom from all the rest is this south-facing private terrace. And what distinguishes the primary bath are the spa-like appointments. The gracious soaking tub, separate steam shower, and 3 oversized windows. This townhouse captures the grace and elegance of a grander age, while also incorporating every modern convenience of today. Thank you so much for your time.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.